Hey everybody, today I'm going to give you a few good reasons why I think you should carry rental car coverage, and a few of these reasons I've never heard anyone else talk about. It's never a good time for you to have your repairs done. Your accident's always going to happen at a time that you don't expect. It's going to be when you're all loaded up, your whole family, all your luggage, you're ready to go on vacation, and then it's going to happen to you. There's never a good time to have your car repaired. And if you haven't heard it from me yet, you're going to hear it from me now. The average repair time is 13 days to get your car fixed at an auto body shop. Now, if you need a rental car for 13 days and it's going to cost you about $30 a day for your rental, that's going to cost you $390 to have your car repaired. And that's in addition to any other expenses that you might have, like your deductible. And let me know in the comments what it was like to be without your car while your vehicle was being repaired, or did rental car coverage save you? Rental car coverage is pizza money. What I mean by that is it would cost me the same to buy pizza for one night for my family, or I can buy a whole year of rental car coverage for about the same price. Rental car coverage is widely available, but often overlooked. When your agent's selling you your policy, they don't necessarily go over every single option on that policy with you. And rental car coverage is just one of those things that agents don't do that great of a job at selling to you. They don't let you know about it when you're signing up for your policy. And more people believe they have rental car coverage on their policy than actually do. When surveyed, most people would say they have rental car coverage, but when it comes down to it, significantly less actually have the coverage on their policy. And here's what I'm talking about that nobody else is. The value of rental car coverage is not quantifiable on paper. When you can roll in with your damaged vehicle to the body shop and in 15 minutes be rolling out in your rental car and on with your life, there's just nothing else like it. That convenience has so much value. It just makes the whole process that much easier. Some people even like the rental car more than their own car. They're like, oh yeah, go ahead. Take as long as you want to fix my car. I'm driving this bad boy down at the beach. Wouldn't you rather feel good about your repair than having all this stress of trying to find another ride or riding your bike around and being so limited on what you can do? For not too much, you can add this to your policy and it won't disrupt your routine at all. You guys have got places to go and people to see. Enterprise did a study, and people who have rental car coverage on their policy are actually more satisfied with their auto body repairs. The average person makes multiple trips in their vehicle a day, and when you don't have the disruption of being without a car, you're going to be more happy in general, and you're just going to be more satisfied with your auto body repair when you're not so concerned about how long it takes. And when they call you up to say, hey, it's going to take another day or two because we actually had to order another part, you're not going to flip out and have a panic attack because you need your car by Friday. You're going to be just fine because you have the rental car coverage on your policy. This is the reason why many of you are even coming to this channel, is to have a better repair experience. Rental car coverage will help you do that. I want you guys to be able to maintain your routine and be happier with your repairs. You guys can add coverage to your policy at any time. You can email your agent, you can give them a call, you don't have to wait for your renewal. Add it today. And if you think you've got coverage, you might want to double check. Instead of my gag reel today, you're going to get a commercial from Enterprise. When they were campaigning this My 13 Days program, they made a super funny video. I want you guys to check it out. Just remember that even good drivers have bad accidents. Thanks for watching.
10 days? Yeah, give or take, but ooh, no rental car coverage. You got something to drive, right? Yeah, I got...
No, you can't tell me what I like. What I like. I ain't no typical stereotype. No. I got my shades on and my bling. My ring-a-ling-a-ling. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. I've got a fashion that you wanna be so, yeah. So full of love.
Slipped on the gravel. Fun. Love that car. Mr. Newton. It's Mike from the Collision Center. Wanted to update you on your car, and looks like it's only going to be 3 more days. Sir?
Are you covered for a rental car when yours is in the shop? Take a few minutes to call your car insurance company and find out, or learn more about rental reimbursement coverage at my13days.com.
Are you there?
No,
Yellow.
can't put a label on